What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna be swapping out this daily unit and see what kind of gains Jb4 has to offer for my G82 M4. And these are both piggybacks which tap into some of the sensors, manipulate them, chop them up a bit using their own circuitry, computer board, and programming, and trick the car into making a little bit more power. Some quick comparisons. The daily unit right here, the competition line, it's literally just this box right here. There's no more extra wires and stuff to it. Jb4 is a little bit different. I'll walk through that, show you guys different sensors as well. Daily unit connects in a few different ways than the Jb4. Here we have the Jb4, comes in a box, tells you what engine is for. Voila. Now I already taken everything apart and figured everything out. I had to open up this aluminum case right here to fit in my Jb4 Connect kit for Bluetooth. The harness, I'll go over that when we are installing it in the car, but this is pretty much all you got right here. So I'm pretty sure by now, if you guys watch my videos, you know how that comes off. We'll just dive right in. The hardest part for me is the T-map sensor down there, So I always start with that one first, because once I get rid of that one, I feel like I'm good to go. This box, I'll try to finagle this out without moving this bar. Pop that little thing over to the side. Hopefully you guys can see down here. It's best to always do this on a cold engine. When it's hot, it's hard to get down here without burning your fingers. Pop the clip off, like so. I'm taking off the daily, so it's an extra step for me. It's like I'm doing surgery.
It's a pain in the ass even to get to them.
Oh, actually, it's easier than the other BMWs.
How do you even get to the one in the back?
Well, the one in the back, you got to take off all of this stuff, the O2 sensor plugs and everything. You have to take it off.
Shit, this thing is beautiful. How many miles do you have on this baby?
I have like 7,000 miles on now, or 8,000 miles.
What do you get to up to 130 on the track?
What's that?
What do you pull up to 130 on the
141 actually on the track. Yeah, man.
Is the car meant to do that?
Yeah, well, it's limited to 159 from the factory.
Right.
But this is the M, so it's built to it's built for that. It has the upgraded suspension, everything aluminum.
Yeah, quad tip.
Yeah, quad tip. Yeah, it came from the factory with quad tip. But this is the inside.
I can't even get in.
Oh yeah, Sabbath.
I can't even get in. But look at those seats.
Yeah, these
like
they're race.
Recaro.
Yeah, they're race buckets. They have the carbon fiber in the back, so it matches the roof. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
You gotta do not a wax,
ceramic coat,
a clay bar.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the soft closed doors.
No, that's the more expensive BMW, like the 7-seat, the luxury ones.
Really? See, this is what dreams are made of.
Yeah, this thing is insane, man.
I had a '95 Acura Legend 6-speed.
Uh-huh.
You know that.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
The coupe.
The coupe, yeah.
In 1995, that car had soft closed doors, and I was an asshole. I sold
what?
It. I sold it, and I'm so stupid.
Those cars in the Lexus LS 400s back in the day,
yeah,
those were ahead of their time.
I had the LS 430.
Yeah, ahead of his time.
2002 LS 430.
All right, so we got the hard part out. I just did the liberty of taking apart the rest of the daily connections, putting them back. The cam sensor we're not going to be using for the Jb4. I left this open because we're going to be using this manifold sensor, so let me deck it out for you guys. 2 wastegate connectors right over here. I've read you can put these either way that you want on the car. So yeah, let's get cracking. Hopefully you guys can see it. literally going off field right now, guys. It's crazy. Boom, that's in. Gotta get down there. check out. Woo! What we on? Alright, that's the hardest connection. Next up, I'm gonna try to reroute this to look nice too. I'll pop this in. Follow up with this. Don't force it. If it's the wrong way, you'll know. See? Have some wastegate wires. Like I said, they go either way. So let me move this out the way. Pop that. That's off. So replace it with one of these. So I'll tell you, this is kind of how I do all the connections. I do it by feel. So that one underneath there that I couldn't show you right there, I kind of do it like this. Like, you have to have one hand and kind of finagle it. Like, I'm gonna show you how I twist it while I'm down on one hand. Pop, like that. This is exactly how I finagle it. You just gotta have it. Either you got it or you don't at this point. This one's easy. I could do it with two hands, but I'm just trying to show you guys. See? That's one. Yo, I'm gonna just use two hands. Screw it. Boom. Oh wow, look. They actually have a legitimate spot for this one. You could just throw it right here. I'll just use the OEM for that one right there. If only they were all like that. Alright, we in there. Yeah. Yo, you know what's funny? I actually thought boom. Actually, you don't even need to move it the whole way. Just move it out of the way a little bit. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I try to put a picture of what it looks like under there. My phone kept dying. I can't get no light. Booyah! Check me out. Are we connecting? Come on, baby. Come on with this no devices found stuff again. Oh, well, wait. Maybe they need to start the car. Let's see what we got. Oh, we good. Yes, Link. Yes, sir. You guys don't understand. I'm hyped right now. Oh yeah. Codes. Read code. We shouldn't have any right now. I mean, I'm surprised the catalyst downpipe. Oh, boom. There we go. Catalyst downpipe detected. But there's no check engine. Hey, I'll take it. So there you guys have it. We managed to get the Jb4 on. I can give you guys a little quick pull idea. Next up, we're gonna try out some of this. So we on map 1 right now. Whoa, why did I just do that? Oh crap. I was not supposed to do that. Go to maps. Come on. Wait, was this how I did it before? Okay, yeah, it's a little slow. So I have pump 93 in the car, so I'm just gonna do map 2, and that's it. Oh, look at that, map 5 E30 MS109, map 4. Oh yeah, Bro, map 2? Let me just confirm, because I ain't trying to blow nothing up. As far as, I mean, like a little mount. I would like to change the display though, because I'm not feeling it. I want something that's a little bit more, you know, fitting of the car. You know what I mean? See what we got in her. Oh! Definitely quick. Sounds amazing. Let me slow down by the ticket. Nowhere near as aggressive as the Daler unit. I will say that. The Daler unit does feel a little bit smoother on initial. Now, this is my first time really driving the Jb4. Maybe it gets better as it goes along, but Pump 93, the Daler unit got it. I'll be real with you. You can feel like the aggressiveness in the Daler unit. You know what it is? All right, you ever like, I don't know if I'm making any sense, because it might not make any sense, to be real with you. But it's like, it feels like this car is fast as boost kicks in. The Daler unit feels like it plays with the timing a lot more, to where it's like ignition, like advanced. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, the Daler unit just feels like it has more of a punch. Obviously, all that's gonna change when I have some custom tuning. And this good old 5-gallon of E in this motherfucker. And I just so happen to be that to get it to a pretty much E35 mixture for this car, 5 gallons of E is exactly all you need when you calculate an E85. E85. If I could have the perfect world, it'd be the Daler unit when I'm running 93 and Jb4 when I'm running this, the new extra fuel. I don't know, I could be bugging. Like I said, we got to do some more testing. That's what this is all about, testing. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll let you guys go. Tell me your thoughts. Do you guys think I made a mistake by throwing the Jb4 in the car or not? Now eventually this car will get flash tuned, so I'm gonna run the E85 or the X85. I'm gonna run MS109. I'm gonna see what power numbers I can get, and then we're going to move on. So if you guys want this Jb4, comment down below, hit me up, let me know if you guys want it in the future after I do my testing and stuff like that, because unfortunately the Jb4 will be going bye-bye, you know, eventually. It's inevitable. It was never the plan. Oh my God. It was never the plan, but you know, it's always good to test it out, and I want to you know, show you guys what it can do. There's not a lot of information, in my opinion, on like install and, you know, just what it could be daily driving it around and throwing some power in it, just like the Daler unit. Yeah, so I'm in traffic. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out.